Is your 9 to 5 job a dead end? Guys, you know that working from home can be your lifeline. If your job feels more like a trap than a career, you are not alone. The 9 to 5 grind is not just for everyone. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can work from home and earn up to $300 per day. Yes, and it can open a world of possibilities working for yourself and moreover working from home. And there are so many things that you can do. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a lot of things that you can do to make money from the comfort of your home. The first on my list here is to become a freelancer. Wait, I'll share with you exactly how you can make that happen. So come with me, guys, let's go. Do you know that you can sell your own services like writing, designing, editing, art? Yes, so you can also sell your own products, digital products or even physical products. And you know what? You can also start a blog. You can make money with ads, your products, merch, affiliate marketing. And another thing is this, you can start a YouTube channel. Yes, so you can make money with ads, your own products, merch, affiliate marketing. And you know what? You can also learn high income skills like coding, like social media marketing, like editing, copywriting, website designing, web developing. Guys, these are the 5 things that makes most sense for your specific requirements. But all of these good things require hard work. Yes, hard work, time, consistency, and the power and the will to learn. Overall, guys, you can make $300 or more online in one day without worrying about a boss somewhere. And the good thing is this, after you start getting paid, most of these will enable you to make a steady income daily, weekly, even monthly. They are also best to make sure to help you make as much money as much as possible, not just a few hundreds of dollars on the side. You can turn this into your main job and replace your full-time income. 100% of that, I need to be real with you, depends on you and your skills. A lot of people do not have good work ethics. It's something that you have to start working on from today if you don't have it. So guys, you can also do affiliate marketing with combination in blogging, YouTube, and sometimes social media. I mean, in my opinion, affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to start. Yes, without any big investment or time investment. But it really depends on who you learn from. I can take affiliate marketing courses. I can check them out online. I don't have any course to sell to you. I don't have any affiliate marketing course to you. And the reason is because you can get an affiliate marketing course that you can learn at your pace, no time limit, and you can learn at your own schedule as well. So if you want the step-by-step training course, it's actually very easy to understand. It is friendly, it is beginner friendly. And if you want to learn from very successful 6-figure affiliate marketers, guys, these are just people like you and I, yes, and they do this as their main source of income. So guys, talking about building a great work ethic, there's this saying that I've always heard ever since I was little. My mother used to say, the way you treat other people's work is the same way you will end up treating your own work. So let's assume you have a boss, you have someone you report to, you have a manager, an employer, and you treat their work like it's not my business, go call me. Don't worry, one day when you set up your business, the same attitude is the same attitude that you bring into your own business. So you have to treat other people's businesses. I mean, I think it's also in line with the Bible. Treat other businesses like it's your own. I remember when I used to work in the bank, I took my job like I run it. I gave it my all. And because of that, when I started my own business, I was able to do it thoroughly. So you have to show up, create very good work ethics. Do not wait until you are being chased. Do not wait for anyone to start flagging you or I don't even need anyone to check out my KP. You don't need to. I'm running. I'm constantly running. I'm working very hard. I'm not waiting to be chased down. So yes, you can also do that. If you're currently working for someone, do it diligently. Do it to the best of your ability. Learn as much as you can on that job. Treat it like your own baby. Treat it like your own personal business and see how God is going to bless you. So when it's time for you to set up your own business, you find out that you've gathered a lot of skills. I remember when I worked in the bank, a lot of my colleagues were all ETs at the time, executive trainees, and a lot of my colleagues they worked like we are the bosses, we are not DSs. Hello, I worked like a DSC, even though I was an ET at the time. I worked closely with them because I wanted to learn more about the products of the bank. So when it was time for us to meet with the CEO of the bank, because of course you have to go through that's the final interview process. You have to sit with the CEO of the bank one-on-one. You have to meet him before you get your official offer letter. So by the time it was time for me to see the CEO of the bank, I know so much about the products, the bank's products. products, everything about you, all the bank's products. I could say it on my seat. When you wake me up, I can tell you everything about all the products that we have in the bank. And I was also able to profess solutions to certain things that I see around me, because at the time, I remember vividly, I used to read at the University of Lagos. At the time, I used to go there to read. So I was able to suggest, I proposed to him to probably create a branch inside the University of Lagos, because a lot of the students love the bank, but they feel it's not accessible. And then he thanked me, my CEO, who is now currently the governor of one of the states in Nigeria. He thanked me and he said, okay, he will put it into consideration. But thank you for that suggestion. So you know what? When you put in your all, you're able to build a successful business for yourself by the time you're out. So don't treat other people's businesses like it's their own businesses. Maybe when you work for someone, put in your best, put in your A game, put your best foot forward. Beyond securing that job, put in your best while on that job, because you don't know where you're going. You don't know how high that will take. That attitude, is something that you have to build, and it's going to take you everywhere, like take you to places in life. And like they say, attitude is everything. Yes. Please work on your attitude, your work ethics, and you know what? The sky is just the starting point. So guys, that is it for today. If you have any question for me, let me know in the comments. I have a freebie for you guys. Yes, I have a giveaway for you guys. So guys, I am giving away $100 cash gifts, and it's open to everyone, anywhere in the world. All you need to do is this. We have finally launched our Telegram channel. All you need to do is share the link to my Telegram channel with your friends, your community members, your church members, your mosque members. Just share with your people in your community, and then come back to today's video and let me know how many people you have successfully added into my Telegram community. Yes, do that. And yes, I'm going to select randomly, and it's closing soon. So go ahead and do that right now after watching today's video. And that is it, guys. You're on your way to winning my $100 cash gifts. Like I said, it's cash. I'm going to send it to you through Western Union or MoneyGram or something, or World Remit or something. I'm going to send the cash to you once I'm able to verify that you have added 50 people. Even if you don't add up to 50 people, let me know in the comments. You're truthful. If you lie, I'm going to disqualify you automatically. At this point, I want to say big thank you once again to my amazing Patreon members. Thank you for all that you do. God bless you, real good. Thank you for all your love and your massive support, and to all of my returning subscribers, for all of you that keep coming back to watch my videos. Thank you from the deepest part of my heart. God bless you, real good. And yes, that is it for today, guys. I hope I've introduced myself. If you have not introduced yourself, introduce yourselves in comments. I really want to know you. Me too. What part of the world are you tuning in from? So guys, my name is Mariam A, based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share with you 3 videos every week. So make it a day to join me every single time. And of course, I will see you guys at the top. Take care of yourselves, and God bless you. Bye, guys.